Hey, hi everyone, this is Venetia, and this video is part 3 of using basic authentication on Gateway. So in part 2 video, we tried to invoke this API using the basic authentication plus an X API key header. So in this video, we'll try to use the basic authentication, but without any X API key header. That is basically we'll use a keyless plan. So let's see how to do that. So if I click on one plan here, so we have an option to make it one plan keyless. We'll have to enable that and select this radio button keyless and click on save. So with this, you will not, there's no need to use any key. Only with basic authentication, you will be able to invoke your API. Also, please note that the keyless plans need to be used in only specific scenarios, such as when you want to bypass the X API key header, or if your existing application, if they do not insert the X API key header and cannot be reconfigured, in such scenario, you can use keyless plans. And also please note that if you have an API which is using API key controlled authentication, and you should not assign any keyless plan to that particular API, because it will completely remove the authentication against your API, which causes security issues, and you'll have the risk of the API being misused. So you should not do that. So please be mindful of this uh, uh, feature on when to use the keyless plans. So I have already made the change now. So let's try to go ahead and invoke this API from Postman. So I don't need the X API key here, so I'll just delete that. And I only have the basic authentication configured here. So let's try to click on send. So there you go. You'll receive the 200. Okay, to test this, let me just give a bad username. So it'll give me a 401 because I'm not using the right credentials. So just using the basic auth and a keyless plan, you are able to invoke your API. I hope this information helps, and thank you for watching.